High-output fluorescent socket burnout can occur due to several reasons, primarily related to overheating, electrical faults, poor socket design, and lamp malfunction. Overheating can stem from inadequate ventilation within the fixture or soffit, leading to excessive heat generated by the lamp itself. Improper ballast operation can also contribute to overheating. Electrical faults are another significant cause, including loose connections at the socket or ballast, insulation breakdown, and overcurrent conditions. Poor socket design can exacerbate the problem with insufficient heat dissipation or incompatibility with high-output lamps. Lamp malfunction, such as arcing or short-circuiting within the lamp, or using excessive wattage for the socket rating, can also lead to burn-up. These issues pose serious safety concerns, including fire hazards, as burned-up sockets can ignite surrounding materials. Electrical shock is also a risk due to faulty wiring or exposed conductors. Furthermore, burning sockets can release toxic fumes, creating a hazardous environment. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to inspect and replace old sockets regularly. Look for signs of overheating or damage, and replace any defective sockets immediately. Ensuring proper ventilation around the fixture and within the soffit is essential to prevent overheating. All electrical connections should be checked and tightened, with proper grounding ensured. It is important to verify that the ballast and lamps are compatible with the sockets and specified wattage. Consider installing thermal protection devices within the fixture to prevent overheating. Firstly, inspect the sockets for discoloration, cracks, or any signs of melting. These are visual indicators of excessive heat or electrical arcing. Secondly, gently wiggle the lamp within the socket to check for looseness. A loose connection increases resistance, generating heat and leading to potential burn-up. Thirdly, examine the wiring connections at the back of the socket. Ensure the wires are securely fastened and free from corrosion. Fourthly, use a non-contact voltage tester to verify that the power is off before touching any electrical components. This is a critical safety precaution. Fifthly, when replacing sockets, use only sockets that are rated for the specific type and wattage of lamps being used. Using undersized sockets can lead to overheating and failure. Sixthly, make sure the new sockets are properly grounded. Grounding provides a path for fault current, reducing the risk of electrical shock and fire. Seventhly, consider the ambient temperature around the fixture. High ambient temperatures can exacerbate overheating issues. Eighthly, ensure the fixture is properly ventilated. Adding ventilation holes or using a fixture with better airflow can help dissipate heat. Ninthly, check the ballast to ensure it is functioning correctly. A faulty ballast can cause the lamp to draw excessive current, leading to socket burn-up. Tenthly, use high-quality lamps that are known for their reliability and long lifespan. Inferior lamps are more likely to fail and damage the sockets. When inspecting, pay close attention to the color of the socket material. Brown or black discoloration indicates overheating. Carefully examine the metal contacts within the socket for signs of corrosion or pitting. These can increase resistance and lead to heat buildup. Check the insulation on the wires connected to the socket for cracks or brittleness. Damaged insulation can create a short circuit and cause the socket to burn up. If the socket has a push-in wire connector, ensure the wires are securely inserted and locked in place. Loose wires can cause arcing and overheating. When replacing a burned-up socket, be sure to clean the area thoroughly to remove any debris or residue. This can prevent future problems. Always disconnect the power supply to the fixture before beginning any inspection or repair work. This will prevent electrical shock. If you are not comfortable working with electrical components, it is best to contact a qualified electrician. They have the knowledge and experience to safely diagnose and repair the problem. When choosing replacement sockets, consider using sockets made from high-temperature resistant materials. These sockets can withstand higher temperatures without melting or deforming. Use the correct type of wire for the wiring connections. Using undersized or inappropriate wire can lead to overheating. Follow all local electrical codes and regulations when installing or repairing lighting fixtures. This will ensure safety and prevent future problems. Proper ventilation is critical for preventing overheating. Make sure the fixture is not blocked by insulation or other materials. Consider adding a small fan to the fixture to improve airflow. Inspect the fixture regularly for dust and debris. Dust can act as an insulator, trapping heat and leading to overheating. When replacing lamps, use the correct wattage. Using a higher wattage lamp can overload the socket and cause it to burn up. Consider using energy-efficient lamps. Energy-efficient lamps produce less heat, which can help prevent socket burn-up. Check the ballast voltage to ensure it matches the voltage of the power supply. Using an incorrect voltage ballast can damage the socket and the lamp. If you suspect a problem with the wiring, contact a qualified electrician to inspect the wiring and make any necessary repairs. Be aware of the signs of electrical problems, such as flickering lights, buzzing sounds, or a burning smell. These can indicate a potential hazard. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing or repairing lighting fixtures. This will ensure that the fixture is installed correctly and safely. Remember that electricity can be dangerous. Always take precautions to protect yourself from electrical shock. Ensure proper ventilation around the fixture by checking for obstructions and ensuring adequate airflow. Replace any missing or damaged ventilation covers. Verify that the ballast is the correct type for the lamp being used and that it is properly wired. An incorrect or improperly wired ballast can cause the lamp to draw excessive current, leading to socket failure. Consider using a socket with a high temperature rating if the fixture is located in a hot environment. A higher temperature rating will ensure that the socket can withstand the heat without melting or deforming. Install a fuse or circuit breaker in the circuit to protect the socket from overcurrent. A fuse or circuit breaker will trip if the current exceeds the rated value, preventing damage to the socket. Use a surge protector to protect the socket from voltage spikes. Voltage spikes can damage the socket and other electrical components. Keep the fixture clean and free of dust and debris. Dust and debris can act as an insulator, trapping heat and leading to socket failure. Replace lamps regularly, even if they are not burnt out. Old lamps can become less efficient and produce more heat, which can contribute to socket failure. Use a lamp with the correct base type for the socket. Using a lamp with the wrong base type can damage the socket and the lamp. When replacing a socket, be sure to use the correct size and type of wire. Using undersized or incorrect wire can cause the socket to overheat and fail. Tighten all connections securely, but do not over-tighten them. Over-tightening can damage the socket and the wires. Ensure that the socket is properly grounded. Grounding provides a path for fault current, reducing the risk of electrical shock. If you are not comfortable working with electrical components, contact a qualified electrician to inspect and repair the fixture. Regularly inspect the fixture for signs of damage or wear. Early detection of problems can prevent more serious issues from developing. By following these recommendations, you can help prevent high-output fluorescent socket burn-up and ensure the safety of your electrical system. Remember to prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any concerns. Remember to always disconnect the power before working on any electrical components. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate safety gear. If you are unsure about any aspect of the repair, consult with a qualified electrician. They can provide expert advice and ensure that the repair is done safely and correctly. The information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional electrical advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician before performing any electrical work. If the cause of the socket burn-up is not immediately apparent, contact a qualified electrician for further investigation and repair. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, when working on electrical components. Disconnect power before inspecting or servicing the fixture. Allow the fixture to cool completely before handling any component. Dispose of burned sockets and other hazardous materials properly.